Hi everyone! In this video, we will recognize the relationship between the solutions of an inequality and its graph. Write the inequality shown by the shaded region in the graph with the boundary line negative 2x plus y equals negative 4. The boundary line has already been graphed for us here, so we don't need to worry about graphing it. And we can see that the boundary line is a solid line. This tells us that the inequality that will replace the equal sign is a less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. A less than or greater than creates a dotted or dashed line, so we don't need to worry about these, and we will be replacing our equal sign with either of these inequalities. To find out which inequality, we're going to test both of them by using a test point. And so we'll go to the shaded region of the inequality and pick any test point within it. Since the origin is within the shaded region and it's my preferred point to choose, I'm going to go ahead and choose it. If it was not in the shaded region, we would need to pick another point. So in this case, it is in the shaded region, so we will replace the x and the y by substituting in 0 for x and 0 for y, giving us negative 2. Substitute 0 for x and substitute 0 in for y. Then we'll pick one of our inequalities. I'm going to go ahead and go with the lesser than or equal to first, and then we'll finish with negative 4. Now we are going to be comparing this to the other inequality. So again, we'll replace negative 2 times 0 for x and replace 0 for y, and then we'll take the other inequality, in this case the greater than or equal to, and we'll finish it with negative 4. Sorry, that got a little squishy. Now we'll go ahead and do all of our calculations. Negative 2 times 0 is 0, and that's the same calculation for both of these. And we didn't calculate anything with the other 0 or with the negative 4, and so those can remain the same. And now we can continue. 0 plus 0 is 0. And again, we didn't do anything with the negative 4. And we'll see which of these inequalities is true. The inequality on the left says that 0 is less than negative 4. And where negatives fall below 0, that makes this statement false. The inequality on the right says that 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4, which is true. 0 is greater than negative 4. So this inequality is true, and we will take this greater than or equal to and replace the equal sign from the boundary line, giving us the inequality negative 2x plus y is greater than or equal to negative 4. And now we've written the inequality that is shown in the graph, and now we're all done.